All right, we got a couple more graphics to go over. I'm gonna peel and stick these hard panels for the headers above the shelves. And that Velcro will stay on these parts. So we'll just put these parts aside on the top so we can set them aside. As you build, you can then position those Velcro pieces. They're all in the same spot. So they're gonna be dead center. I'm just gonna apply this one up here. It's gonna conceal the joist, the light, and all of the cords. So there's header one. And then on the center, got a unique half vinyl graphic that we're gonna put on that double wide column. And so we've got this metal piece that has little tabs on either end. We're just gonna slide it into this pole pocket. And then there are little 3mm slots on the top of the column that will receive this, and it'll just sit in place. I'm just gonna drop that. Let's hang that here. Move the shelf down. Well, actually, that's pretty perfect. I'm gonna roll out this a little bit since it's been rolled up. I'm gonna roll it the other way. And then we have another metal plate in here that we slide in to weight it. There you go. So that shelf will sit there. Nice graphic in the middle. We'll apply a couple more graphics. And again, all of these lights, power supply in the first column, drop it into each column, and then the power port will sit inside each column, powering each of those bays. Additionally, we have some larger graphics, like this panel. And these will just apply anywhere on the column. We have some Velcro, some loop Velcro that will be applied to the backside here, just like this. And then we will use a Velcro clip. Just like this. It's got some Velcro on the other side. We'll apply that here. Two on the top. I'm going to take a look at where this is positioned. It's about 2 inches from the top, 2 inches from the bottom. Right about there. You want to really push and make sure this Velcro gets a good contact. This Velcro is a little bit higher, so I'm just going to slide it up. So it's right on, keeping that hook and the loop Velcro marry well. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Give it a wiggle. Really get that loop and hook a bond. And now that panel is secured. And when we take it off, we can easily take the clips off. There'll be no adhesive. So again, header graphic, Velcro, same for this vertical column graphic. Then we got the vinyl graphics behind using wood dowels, utilizing these positions up here. And again, if you ever want to add graphics forward like this, you could position the banner forward with these holes here. You then lose merchandising, but if you want graphics, you can do that. And then the arm lights. Do you have any arm lights?
Throw them on the shelves.
Arm light is very easy. Take this light here and this clamp. It's just going to go onto that joist up top, the 1/2 inch joist. Up here. Position it in the middle. Tighten it. Flick it on. And you're going to just power this one shelf light to that far right corner, just like you did with the shelf, or sorry, arm light. Plug this in, drop the cord in. Plug it in, and there's your light. And from there, you just plug in daisy chains from that light to the next light and on down the run. So you'll have 5 lights, one on each of these colored bays and one on the metal column. They'll all power from that column here. You can see inside, we've got this will actually sit inside the column, but this is the one white cord for your shelf lights. This is the black cord for your arm lights, and they just run straight up the column and power to the left.